Hi, my name is Trevor. Together with my wife Jill and 12 other team members, we operate 2 retail stores and 5 mobile service vehicles that service the eastern suburbs of Adelaide and the Adelaide Hills. And our new store here at St Peters is located at 111 Paynham Road, St Peters. To be great at what we do, we need great people. Beside me here is Jo, the new store manager at St Peters.
Hi, my name's Jo. I'm here to help the local community with all their pool and spa needs. We are open 7 days here at St Peters and 6 days at Townsmore. In store we offer free water testing using the most up-to-date and accurate water testing equipment available. We are your one-stop shop for all your basic and water treatment products and good range of spares to help you keep your pool safe and looking great. Our experienced technicians already service hundreds of local regular clients, and we can help you too with a one-off casual pool service, or maybe you need something more regular.
Poolwerx is the largest and most recognised retail and service brand in Australia. We have access to the world's leading brands, so if something is broken down or needs replacing, we can help you. We also fix and completely renovate pools for you, so if you need help with that, just call us.